How to get good grades in math. Getting good grades in math requires a combination of effective study strategies, dedication, and practice. This guide will provide you with practical tips and techniques to excel in math. Stay organized. Maintain a dedicated math notebook or folder to keep your notes, assignments, and class materials organized. Attend class regularly. Active participation in class can help you grasp concepts faster and clarify doubts. Take thorough notes during lectures and ask questions if something is unclear. Understand the basics. Ensure you have a solid understanding of basic concepts before moving on to more advanced topics. Seek help from your teacher, tutor, or online resources if you're struggling with fundamental concepts. Practice regularly. Math is a skill that improves with practice. Set aside time each day to solve math problems. Work on a variety of problems, starting with simple ones and gradually progressing to more complex ones. Utilize online resources. There are numerous online platforms, tutorials, and educational websites that offer free math resources, practice problems, and video lessons. Homework Market is one of the excellent options to explore. Create a study schedule. Develop a study routine that includes dedicated time for math. Break down your study sessions into smaller, manageable chunks to avoid burnout. Seek help when needed. Don't hesitate to ask your teacher or classmates for assistance when you encounter difficulties. Consider hiring a tutor if you need more personalized help. Review regularly. Periodically review past lessons and concepts to reinforce your understanding. Summarize key points in your own words to solidify your knowledge. Practice problem-solving strategies. Learn various problem-solving techniques such as the use of equations, diagrams, and logical reasoning. Apply these strategies to different types of math problems. Stay positive and persistent. Math can be challenging, but a positive attitude and perseverance are crucial for success. Don't be discouraged by mistakes. View them as opportunities to learn and improve. Test preparation. Prior to exams, practice with sample tests and past papers. Simulate exam conditions during your practice sessions to build confidence. Getting good grades in math requires dedication, practice, and effective study strategies. By staying organized, seeking help when needed, and maintaining a positive attitude, you can excel in math and achieve the grades you desire. For more information, visit Homework Market website.